No? In fact, ang American Heart until now, may mask ang victim. May mask ka, may mask ang victim. You can blow your mouth through the mask. You can use the bulb through the mask but never remove the mask. Yan ang turo ng American Heart, even until now. Kasi may COVID pa rin. But if you know the person at saka kilala mo, mahal sa buhay, go ahead. After 30 compressions, okay? Turo ko lang yung artificial respiration para lang alam natin. After 30 compressions, we do head tilt and chin lift maneuver. Ano itong head tilt and chin lift maneuver? This is to open the airway. Not too much, no? Na talagang baling-bali siya. Kasi how do you feel when you move your back, you lean your back far back, your head, no?
Relax.
Anong pakiramdam? Hindi ka makahinga na maayos, di ba? Kasi naiipit already ang airway. Just
Relax
enough.
lang.
So, the non-dominant hand on the forehead, dominant hand on the chin.